Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In NumPy, stacking refers to the process of joining multiple arrays along a specified axis. When we talk about stacking columns, we typically mean adding new columns to an existing 2D array, or matrix. NumPy provides several functions for stacking arrays, such as np.column_stack, np.stack, and np.vstack. ### tutorial, stacking columns in NumPy. #####1. Prerequisites. Make sure you have NumPy installed. If you haven't installed it yet, you can do so using pip. ####2. Importing NumPy. First, we'll import the NumPy library. ####3. Creating arrays. Let's create a couple of 1D arrays that we want to stack as columns. ####4. Stacking columns. To stack these arrays as columns, we can use np.column_stack, which stacks 1D arrays as columns into a 2D array. ####5. Using np.stack. You can also use np.stack to achieve the same result, but it is typically used for stacking arrays horizontally. ####6. Using np.vstack for vertical stacking. If you want to stack arrays vertically, i.e., add new rows, you can use np.vstack. However, this is not directly related to stacking columns but is useful to know. #### complete code example. Here's the full code all put together. #### output. When you run the complete code, you should see the following output. #### conclusion. In this tutorial, we learned how to stack columns in NumPy using different methods. Both np.column_stack and np.stack can be used to achieve similar results when stacking 1D arrays as columns in a 2D array. We also briefly covered vertical stacking with np.vstack. This gives you a solid foundation for manipulating arrays in NumPy.